What up, YouTubers? This is Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and I got the JoJo Lena. Say what up.
Hi.
So this is part 3, how to start a junk removal business and be successful, guys. And if these videos help you guys out, leave a comment down below and let us know. So yeah, this is part 3, JoJo.
Yep.
So what are we going over today?
We're going to go over some marketing strategies. So, like we said, this is the 3rd video. And so if you haven't watched number 1 or number 2, you need to watch those first because these are kind of going in order. And we'll leave a link for you to do that in the description. But so this one, after you've watched 1 and 2, this covers marketing. So, you know, we talked about some things, and we just kind of did the surface. So today we're going to try to go a little bit deeper and kind of show you what to do with some of the platforms you may have started from our session 1 and 2.
So yeah, if we repeat ourselves, guys, don't worry about it. We're just trying to lace you guys up and tie your guys' tennis shoes and give you this game for free. So yeah, it's all about building a strong foundation. Let's start off with that foundation. You gotta build a strong foundation. You can't have one bad brick and just not have a strong foundation. So by saying that is, you gotta get good reviews, guys. That's a must. First thing you gotta do is get good reviews so your foundation is strong. So people look at your reviews and be like, oh yeah, this is a good company to work with. So that's what you guys want to do. Don't have no weak links or no bad reviews. You guys really want to work strong and hard and get the job done and get those reviews up. So let's talk about marketing now. So first off, let's talk about Yelp. A lot of guys bash Yelp. Oh, Yelp sucks. I hate Yelp. Yelp erases my reviews all the time. I had 20 good reviews. Well, you know what? That's Yelp for you. It's like this. If I can get 1 job or if I can get 30 jobs off a free platform and they're feeding me work and I'm getting paid, I'm going to do it, guys. So don't stress off you're getting your reviews taken off on Yelp. Just keep using it. If it feeds you some work and you get paid, I made thousands and thousands of dollars off Yelp. And I'm going to use it if it's a free platform and they're feeding me work. So yeah, Yelp will erase your reviews. That's why we normally send people to Google and get Google reviews. But if it's a free platform, guys, I don't like bashing on Yelp. I mean, yeah, they do erase your reviews, but what you can do is take a screenshot of your review when you get it. Right when you get the Yelp review, take a screenshot and then post it in your Yelp picture so people will see that you got reviews. Even though it might not say you got 50 reviews, at least you got them in your photos. So yeah, that's one way.
Mm-hmm. No, that's really good advice. I remember when we first started seeing our Yelp reviews go away, we were like, oh, what the heck? Even called them and complained, but they have some algorithm or whatever, and you know, you just have to let it do what it's going to do. But it will give you jobs, so, and it's a free platform, so use it.
Yeah. And now let's talk about Facebook, guys. Facebook is a major platform. It's free, and we get a lot of business off it. So if you got a Facebook page, personal page, make sure you guys get a Facebook business page. It's a must, guys. So you got if you don't have Facebook, you guys are missing out on a lot of cash. So I would say definitely sign up for Facebook, get a Facebook page, and get a Facebook business page. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get realtors off Facebook. So check this out. Now let's talk about how to get realtors on the team, guys, on Facebook. So say you're in LA, Los Angeles. So you'll type on the very top up here, guys, realtors in Los Angeles. Bam, you go there. Then you go over here to people. See right here, it says people. Bam. And then here's a list, guys, Los Angeles. So if you're in LA, you just go add. And there's a bunch of them, guys. Just add all these realtors to your guys' page. And that's a good way to get them on the team so they see where you guys are, what you guys do. So that's a major thing to do, guys. Just type in realtors in Los Angeles, realtors in Orange County, wherever you guys are at, realtors in Texas, Dallas, Texas, and just add all the realtors to your personal page, and then go back and add them to your business page, guys. And every time you guys post something, they'll see it. So these are all realtors right here. Look at that. Bam. You can add all these realtors, all of them. And that's a good way to get them on the team, guys. So yeah, keep that in mind. So let's get back to the video. Now that's how I get realtors off Facebook. And another thing you guys always want to do is I always post pictures constantly on my Facebook business page, because I got those realtors on the team now. They're on my business page. They like my page. And every time I post something, they see it. I'm always in their face. And I don't know how many times I show up to a job for a realtor and they're like, wow, you really do great marketing. So that's why I always post before and after pictures or another happy customer, because I'm always in the realtor's face, guys. So that's a great way to network. And also add business owners, property managers. Just add everyone you could to your guys' Facebook business page. So yeah, that's another way. And let's see, Instagram, we get a lot of business from Instagram too. Just post on there every day. Any free platform you guys can use it. I made money off Instagram plenty of times, so it's a good free platform too, guys. So it's all about posting constantly, getting good reviews, and just giving a good service. Yeah. So JoJo, what you got now?
Well, also, as if you have a Facebook and an Instagram, they will work really well together, because oftentimes when you put an ad on Facebook, you'll scroll down and it will ask you if you also want this ad to run on Instagram too. And I always hit that button because, like, why not?
Oh yeah, definitely. So yeah, you guys want to use all these free platforms. YouTube's a great platform too for your SEO. We rank higher with that too. So yeah, it's really important, guys, to use as many free platforms as possible. I'm gonna repeat it. Just because Yelp erases your reviews, don't say F them and not use them. I'm telling you right now, guys, we get fed a lot of money from Yelp and it's all free. We don't pay nothing. We do everything organic, guys, and we stay busy 24/7. So yeah, just because you hear someone else bashing about Yelp, yeah, they do suck, but just use them anyways. If it's money coming in, I'm definitely gonna capitalize on it. So what you got, JoJo?
I don't know, maybe we could go over realtors now.
Oh, realtors are really important, guys. So yeah, realtors, how we get realtors. I already showed you guys how to get realtors through Facebook. Another way to get realtors is whenever you guys see signs anywhere, say it's an open house, it's Sunday, you see some open house signs, I'll walk in there, check out the house, introduce myself to the realtor, and give them a business card. I like being face to face with realtors, showing them me showing up, smiling, looking clean cut, telling what I do, and just try to reel them in, guys. So that's the thing you guys want to do. Try to reel them realtors in. So if you see an open house sign on a Sunday, which we see them all the time, we'll walk in there. I'll introduce myself, give them a business card, let them know what I do, and try to get them on the team. So let's talk about real estate offices, guys. What we do at real estate offices, JoJo made this. It's a little flyer, guys. And what we'll do is we'll fold it up, walk into the real estate office, our property management office, and I'll talk to the person at the front desk and ask them, can you guys pass these out to the realtors and put it in their boxes? If they don't do it, they'll let me go in there and I'll drop them off, guys. I'll fold them up, put them in there with a little business card, and you'll be surprised how much business you guys will get from that. I know a lot of guys say drop off donuts. That will work too, guys. You can get a little candy dish, put some candy in there, and put your business cards there, and just get them on the team. That's the main thing, guys, is just getting people on the team so you get these repeat customers for life. So give a good service. Don't try to rip people off, and just give a good service. You guys will get repeat customers for sure. And go all out. Don't be a half-ass. Sweep up, clean up, give it 110%. Don't just go in there, get paid, get out of there, call the realtor up, and not do a great job. Make sure you guys do a great job, because if you don't do a good job, they'll tell other realtors in the office, and they'll be like, oh, you know what? They didn't do that good of a job. You want to just kick ass, go in there and be like, get it done, and then have them just say, oh, they're so good, oh my gosh, they're great, they were there on time, they did an awesome job, they say what they're gonna do and they did it. So keep that in mind, guys. So what you got now, JoJo?
Yeah, that's really good advice, because it's word of mouth is super important. Is your marketing. If you're doing your marketing well and you're doing your business well, then people will talk about you, and it's really good, strong word of mouth.
Oh yeah, let's talk about handling your money, guys. It don't matter how much money you make at the end of the day. It's all about how much money you keep in your pocket at the end of the day, guys. So keep that in mind. You might make $30,000 or $40,000 a month, but if you're spending a shitload of that money and you ain't got none in the bank, well then you ain't really making that much money, guys. So make sure you guys save your money, stack your cash, and invest it right. Like everything, this is my opinion, everything we purchase is all cash. I don't like having that payment, that bill. So the trucks are paid for all cash. We bought a little Honda to save gas, that's all cash. The dump trailer's all cash. We got boats, all cash. The Mustang, all cash. Everything's paid for with cash, so we ain't got that bill every month and it's killing us. I don't like stressing, guys. So everything's paid with cash, so then I can save more money. That's a major thing.
Yeah.
I know some people won't agree with me, but that's what we do. So it's less stressful knowing that everything's already paid for and you ain't got that fat bills you got to pay. Oh, I got a brand new car, I got to make that payment this month. I got this other. Nah, we just pay all cash for everything.
Oh, so it was really important our first year in business to not really spend the money, but just reinvest it. And reinvest it. Think to yourself, is this going to make my business bigger and stronger and better? And if it's yes, then invest it in your business, but don't go just spending money to spend it. It's really, really important to know the difference between an asset and a liability. An asset is something that's going to put money in your pocket, and a liability is going to be something that takes money out of your pocket. You don't want those.
So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. If it ain't making you money, then think about maybe not getting it. So I'm all about making cash. So if it can make me money, I'm all in, guys. So keep that in mind.
On part 2, we talked about the importance of a website, and how no matter what your business is, you need to have a website, even if it's not junk removal. A website, and your SEO is very important. So it's a really good idea to go into your website if you're doing it yourself, and I highly recommend that you do it yourself. And if you didn't do it yourself, like learn how to do all this stuff yourself, go in about once a month and switch your pictures up a little bit and change your wording slightly, so that you have really good SEO, which is how people search you up. So make sure you're using what you do, like junk removal or appliance removal, and use different cities that you are working in. If you're just working in your own city, then make sure you use that city's name for all kinds of stuff like construction debris removal or whatever you're doing, and make sure those words are in your website, so when somebody's searching for that, you'll pop up.
Definitely. So yeah, keep passing out business cards, do flyers, hand these out at the real estate offices, and just keep posting on all these free platforms, guys. There's a gang of them out there, so just don't get frustrated if your phone ain't ringing. Just means advertise harder, guys. And this is part 3, how to start a business and be successful, guys. I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena. You want to add anything else, JoJo?
I think we covered everything we were going to talk about in this third one.
Yeah, so part 4 will be coming out soon, guys. We'll keep them coming. And if this is helping you guys out, like I said before, please leave a comment down below, just so we know it's working, guys. So hopefully you guys are getting that money out there. Hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena.
Yeah, and if you could think of another question that we haven't touched on, write it down below, and on our next video, we'll try to answer your question if we can.
Yeah, we'll get more details about invoices and stuff like that in the next video, guys. So hope you guys are getting that cash flow, and yeah, keep getting that money. Bye.